Imagine this. It is 2021, and while everyone else is chasing the next big crypto craze, a quiet hedge fund manager in China is doing something truly bizarre. Liang Wenfeng is hoarding Nvidia chips by the thousands, and his finance peers are literally laughing at him. They saw a quirky hobby, a person with a terrible haircut and a basement full of silicon. But they missed the undercurrent. Liang was not just collecting hardware, he was preparing for a war Silicon Valley did not even see coming. He understood that the future of AI was not just about software, but the very foundation it ran on, and this quiet obsession would soon shake the tech world to its core. Now, Liang was not just some random tech enthusiast. He was already known as the Quant King. His firm, High-Flyer, was already crushing the stock market using AI. But Liang had a massive realization. The real alpha was not just in using AI models to trade, it was in owning the brain itself. So in 2023, he took that hobby and gave it a name, DeepSeek. He was not content to just follow the frontier, he wanted to push it. And he was going to do it with a fraction of the budget American giants were burning through. This was a quantum shift in thinking, moving from consumer to creator of the AI revolution. Fast forward to January 2025, and the world felt the shockwave. DeepSeek dropped V3 and R1, and it was not just another model, it was a glitch in the matrix. They built a Ferrari for the price of a bicycle, completely upending the brute force scaling laws of AI. Suddenly, the idea that you just throw billions of dollars and more chips at a problem was dead. The market panicked, and Nvidia's stock tanked 17% in a single day. Why? Because DeepSeek proved that intelligence is about efficiency, not just raw power. The undercurrent had officially become a tidal wave, and Silicon Valley trembled. And here is the kicker. That quirky hobbyist is now sitting at the head of a $10 billion table. DeepSeek is currently in talks to raise its first outside round, $300 million at a staggering $10 billion valuation. Think about that for a second. From a self-funded side project to a global unicorn in less than 3 years. It is the ultimate validation of Liang's gamble. He did not need a Silicon Valley pedigree or a blank check from a tech giant. He just needed a vision and a very, very large pile of chips. This is not just a success story, it is a blueprint for disruption. So, what is the lesson here for the Business Undercurrent family? It is that in the age of AI, raw capital is no longer a moat. The real advantage lies in the undercurrent, the quiet, efficient, and often overlooked strategies that disrupt the status quo. DeepSeek did not just build a model, they built a new world order. If you want to stay ahead of these waves, you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe to Business Undercurrent, and let's keep tracking the deep shifts together. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next one.